In today's video, how to turn off likes on Facebook profile picture. Open the Facebook app on your device. Facebook does not have a single dedicated button to completely disable likes on an existing profile picture. However, you can hide the total reaction counts and restrict privacy on current profile picture to hide reaction counts. Tap on menu icon at top left side, scroll down, and tap on Settings and Privacy and select Settings. Under Preferences, look for Reaction Preferences, tap on it. Toggle on off the option on your posts to hide reaction numbers from other people. To restrict privacy on current profile picture, back to Facebook Home. Tap your profile picture and select See Profile Picture. Tap the three dots in the top right corner, select Edit Privacy and change it to Only Me. To upload a new profile picture, without notifying the feed, tap the camera icon on the profile picture. Select your new profile photo. Uncheck or deselect the option that says Share your update to newsfeed. Save the changes. That's all to it. Thanks for watching.